So I use this grid support app to draw my sketchings. Here you get multiple options like line, label, diagonal. I use line and label options and then select the orientation as vertical or horizontal and A4 size sheet. Then just click on the file option below. It will navigate you to all your gallery. Just select the picture, and once you have selected in perfect size, click crop on the above option. Then you can use this diagonal option or multiple options given, but I just use line and label. And then the grid size, I generally use 10 mm, which is 1 centimeter, and click OK. So here my picture is ready to be outlined. Now what you need to do is just enlarge each box and start drawing. Okay, so on your ivory A4 size sheet, which I generally use, label 1 centimeter apart all the points on the vertical and horizontal space, and just draw straight lines, so it will give you the same sheet as you have prepared on the grid support app. Now, as a final step, just write the numbers so that you can match one to one from the app numberings. Here I'm just taking a reference to start the portrait. So I generally start with the eyes, so I just take a point just below the right hand side eye, uh, just noticing the number and pointing that onto my sheet. Now all you need to do is just notice what is there inside that box and start drawing. And that's it for the video.